Hello, and welcome to Quarantine Talks with Rory. We're coming to you from Corona, California, home of advanced accessory concepts and not the coronavirus. But I guess the joke's still kind of funny. Anyway, my name's Rory. I'm your host. I'm also the guy that's probably going to answer the phone when you call in and ask questions because we're a little company. And today we're going to talk about our 12-volt power extension harness, 12-volt power supply. This is a power supply with a USB port or DC socket that we can add to any vehicle, anything with a battery. This actually works really, really well because it does have the quick disconnects or bulkheads with your adventure bike applications. It's a 10 amp fuse in line, like I said, has eyelets for your power and ground, and we have these bulkhead connections, so if we're going through drawers in the back of a rig, if we're going into your pannier or hard bags on your adventure bike, that bulkhead fitting is really, really useful for getting power through there. So, how long is it? Let's see. From my critical judgment, it's definitely longer than 6 foot 1 inches. I think it's around 80 inches, somewhere there. Quite a bit of length. Details are on the website, triggercontroller.com. This is going to come with 3 zip ties, 3 of these awesome little mounting pads or your zip ties so we can zip tie this neat and clean. And for demonstration purposes, we'll hook this up to our Optima yellow top battery, some alligator clips, plug in our lightning cable, and give it a whirl. And we're charging right there. Awesome. So, 12-volt power supply, triggercontroller.com, $35.97 shipped to your door. Comes with everything you see here. Comes with the cool little USB insert, waterproof or water-resistant flap, and all of your mounting stuff. Necessary, $35.97, triggercontroller.com. Find it in the accessories section.